Over here you have Germany. Behind me here we have Switzerland. Over to the right we have Austria. And right here we have paradise. Hello and welcome to the video. My name's Pete, and if you've been watching the channel for a while, you'll know that I'm living in a micro camper and travelling around Europe. If you've been watching the channel even longer than that, you'll know that my true passion is all things health and fitness. Now I've only been in Europe for about 3 weeks, but I think I've already discovered Europe's secret fitness paradise. And it's only in bloody Germany. So I'm going to show you around this park we found in Lindau in Germany, and everything I'm going to show you now, I mean everything, is within 50 meters walking distance. So we're going to start off with the young. So the Germans really look after their community as a whole, and they start them off nice and young. To take their parks for example, it's not only like an obstacle course, it's a playground, it's something fun. You can get the kids mobile and moving all day long. Pretty sure in the UK this may be a bit of a health and safety hazard, but there's no fun without hurting yourself a little bit, maybe. So just a hop, skip, jumping away from the kids park, we have the football ground slash basketball court. So there's two of these next to each other, and they're really awesome. They're made of like really sturdy material that wouldn't break. Like it's not netting, I'm not sure what it is. The same.
Looks like cord.
Fitness isn't all about just lifting weights and getting strong. It's also about connection and being team sports, and they seem to be big into that here. As you can see, there's no one using them now, but these do get really busy. That's why we come nice and early to make sure we could film while it was still quiet, because these guys do make use of all the facilities around here. This next feature is my favourite. Fitness isn't all about just moving your body, it's also about relieving stress and relaxing the mind, and I think no better way to do it than this. It's only a disco in the trees. If you thought this might get boring, it plays a different song every single time. We're yet to hear the same song twice. A huge skate park, or bike park, or scooter park, or place to practice art if you're more of a creative type. I've not really done much skateboarding in my time, but you've got rails, ramps, jumps, all on concrete, so make sure to wear a helmet. More team building sports, volleyball. Yesterday it was like a scene out of Top Gun here. Everyone was loving life playing volleyball.
Top Gun?
Yeah. You've seen Top Gun?
How do they play volleyball?
It's like a very famous volleyball scene. It's
Oh.
very homoerotic. Let's go! Yeah, volleyball pitch. I haven't really played much volleyball myself, but... Next up we have the Bouldering Wall. They even have a crash mat to land on. This is friggin' epic. I would pay like good money to come to use one of these. They've just got one out here for free, and it looks like it has all levels, starting from really easy to very difficult, and I'm out of breath. Bouldering. Next up we have the Calisthenics Park, which is the reason we found this paradise, and this is pretty much how I've been doing the majority of my training while living on the road. They have absolutely everything you need here, and these guys are scattered all over Germany, so you really have no excuse not to be able to work out on the road. They've got the usual pull-up bars, dip bars, handstand bars. You can attach your rings and ropes to them, and they even have this nice soft floor so you can practice like jumps and flips and stuff like that. I'm just gonna edit in a backflip. They wouldn't notice. And finally, and by no means least, what makes this place The ultimate fitness paradise is all of this is right next to a 42-mile long lake. You can swim, you can paddleboard, you can go on a boat, you can run, you can cycle. The only thing you can't really do is ski here, but the Austria, and I think you can do some skiing over there. It even has its very own built-in tidal wave pool. Every time a boat comes in, it builds these massive waves. It makes it super fun in there. What more could you possibly want? For me, this is literally a fitness paradise. And over the next couple of weeks, I will be sharing how I'm staying fit and active while living in a micro camper traveling around Europe, all my workouts, my exercises, tips and tricks on how I stay lean, as well as what I eat in a day. So I'll see you guys then. Now, I've only been in Europe for about 3 weeks, but I think I've already discovered a secret hidden... Now, I've only been in Europe for about 3 weeks, but I think I've already discovered Europe's secret fitness paradise.
Yeah, or hidden, whichever's easier
Europe's
for you.
hidden fitness hidden secret.
You can say either, hidden or secret.